Division is one of the four basic operations in mathematics. 49,816 students were tested across Chhattisgarh under the SSA UNICEF study. The following question was tested in class 5. The correct answer to this question is option C, 1001. However, 35.4% of students answered option B, 101. This is the most common wrong answer. So, we went to 4 schools of Chhattisgarh and met students of class 5 to find out what are the procedures they follow while dividing numbers. Let's see how students solved this question.
प्रश्न पढ़ के आप सुनाओ। ये देखो, तो इसमें से कोई भी आपको हल करना है यहाँ पे बोर्ड में। कैसे करेंगे? जो भी आपको ध्यान है इसमें हम करेंगे।
A few students found it difficult to recognize the arithmetic operations and numbers correctly. They also found it difficult to read the text.
So what I feel that the data is actually showing us, one thing it is showing us is that there is of course a large group in the class which is not able to do the operation itself, and that is a different problem. I think that is a problem that is kind of widely known, that there are like lots of children who are not able to do even basic operations at class 5 level.
भाग में क्या करते हैं हम लोग? यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे क्या? आप बताओ। आपको क्या लगता है हम यहाँ?
Almost 30% of the students were not even aware of the division procedure and could not even start the process of solving.
लगाया? 0 क्यों लगाया आपने? अच्छा, फिर? अच्छा, फिर आपने ये दोनों ये किए यहाँ पर। अच्छा, ठीक है। तो आपका उत्तर क्या है? 1000।
None of the students got the answer correct. We noticed that students followed a general pattern for answering this type of a question. Hence, we gave them similar questions with smaller numbers.
What happens is, when there is a certain kind of number, the students tend to make a typical kind of error. The numbers which I call tempting numbers. For example, this. So here what's happening is, this is a multiple of this. So students just do this. 6 1 times is 6. There's nothing here, and what happens here is, this is particularly tempting because this number is also a multiple of this. So this is what I call a tempting number. So this students tend to take down as one unit rather than consider this separately first and than this, the two of them together. So what they do is, they'll just get this down as 1 unit, and then since it's in the tables of 6, so to say, they'll just do this and get that as the answer. So they get 19, whereas the answer needs to be 109. And it's exactly the same kind of problem which is happening in the problem that was given to the students. Here, in fact, it's even more tempting because it's not even just a multiple, but it's exactly the same number here. So this part and this part. So the students simply just do 11 times 11, 1 time is 11. And some of them might notice the 0 and put 1 here, or some of them might not do that, so they put the 0. Then they take this as 1 unit, bring it down here and put the 1 here again, and they are done. Now, so some of them get 11 as the quotient, and those who remember to put the 0 here might get 101. So either they might get 11 or 101 as the answer to this problem.
We requested one of the teachers to explain the question to her students.
11 एका 11, तो 1 में 1 गया 0, 1 में 1 गया 0, फिर ये 0 आप उतार दिए, ठीक, 11 0 0, ये 0 हो गया, यहाँ फिर ये 0 आ गया। अब ये कौन सी संख्या उतार रहे हैं, देखो 11 उतारे है ना, 11 उतार लिए, तो 11 पहाड़ा कितने बार पढ़ेंगे, एक बार। 11 एकम 11, 1 में गया 1 0, 1 में गया 0। अब इसको सही उत्तर जांच करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, 101 में 11 का हम क्या कर देंगे, गुणा करेंगे। सही उत्तर हमको जांच करना है तब। तो देखो 11 एकम 11 का 1 हासिल आई 1, 11 0 0, 0 में 1 जोड़े तो क्या आया, 0 ही आएगा। 11 एकम 11, नहीं इसमें 0 जोड़ेंगे तो यहाँ 1 आएगा और फिर ये 0।
This is one of the most common errors that not only children but adults also make.
They are not using any kind of estimate of the quotient. If the student knows that 600 divided by 6 is a number close to has a value close to 100, then they should be able to predict that 654 divided by 6 is a number which is a little over 100. That is going to be the estimated value of this operation. Another problem which might be happening is that they may not be associating these with real life context at all. For example, in such a case, suppose this child was asked to estimate if, let's say, 654 rupees was to be divided between 6 children, and to give an estimate of how much each child would get before they do the formal operation again. It's possible that the kids would come up with a fairly correct estimate of how much each of those 6 children would get.
We would like to thank Rajiv Gandhi Shiksha Mission, Chhattisgarh, the head teacher and the teachers of the schools visited. The video is a part of a research effort to improve student learning by understanding how children learn. We request that this video be used to increase awareness about gaps in student learning and not to find flaws in the teachers, the schools or the system.